Hello guys, are you looking here? Home furnishings ideas? Welcome to our guide to home furnishing ideas. In this video, we'll explore ways to make your home more stylish, functional and comfortable. Let's dive in. First, let's start with the living room. Choose a comfortable sofa that fits your space. Add a pop of color with throw pillows or a cozy blanket. A soft rug can bring the whole room together while adding warmth. Don't forget lighting. Floor lamps or table lamps can create a relaxing atmosphere. In the dining area, a sturdy dining table is the centerpiece. Choose chairs that match the style and color of the table. For smaller spaces, round tables can save room. Add a touch of elegance with table runners, candles, or fresh flowers to create a welcoming vibe. The kitchen is all about organization and charm. Use open shelves or cabinets to display stylish dishes or glassware. Bar stools near the counter can create a casual seating area. Small touches like colorful dish towels or a fruit bowl can make the kitchen feel lively. Don't forget your outdoor space. Add seating like outdoor chairs or a bench for relaxation. Use weather-friendly cushions and rugs to make it cozy. Potted plants or string lights can transform your patio into a magical spot for evenings. Remember, home furnishings are about reflecting your style and making your space functional. Small details like cushions, rugs, and decor items can make a big difference. Have fun decorating and turning your house into a home. Thank you for watching.